All right, are y'all ready for a little free executive coaching lesson? Okay, now one of the main goals of executive coaching is to help professionals level up and tap into their potential as leaders and workers, right? So in essence, to be the best version of yourself. But how do you know what the best version of yourself is? How do you know what that looks like? Are you ready for the lesson? Let's do it. First, I want you to promise me something. When you're done watching this video, write this down. Write it all down. Don't just think about it. It's not the same. And I hear what you're thinking. No, it's not the same. There's an inherent power in writing information and thoughts down in a formally recorded way. You name it and claim it. It just hits different. Now here's what I want you to write. The top of the page. When I'm at my best, I am ... And then create a list underneath. The list could be bullet points, or it could be full sentences where you describe the situation. What goes in this list? Number 1, it should include times, situations, tasks, moods, people, emotions, and activities. It should be specific. When I'm at my best, I'm working hard. No, that can mean a million different things. Use that beautiful brain of yours and define working hard. It should include things outside of work. You're a whole person, and that includes things and people and times and places and situations outside of your professional identity. Those things contribute to making you the best version of yourself. So some questions to start with to get those gears turning. When do you enjoy your life the most? When was the last time you stopped and said, wow, I love this? What gives you purpose? What motivates you, inspires you? When were those times when you felt totally on, right? Like you were in your element. What does it look like to be your best self? Can you draw it? Can you assign it a color or give it a name? Does it have emotional components, physical feelings? Do people describe you in a certain way or give you compliments on a certain thing when you're in your element? This list is your benchmarking tool. It's your measuring stick, your ruler. Now, you need to put yourself in situations where you can do those things and be that person. You need to create that atmosphere, live in those strengths. I hear you saying, Carly, what if I'm not in a situation where I can thrive as my best self? That's fair. So, how can you create that atmosphere? What are the things you can change or alter in your situation to be more conducive to your best self situation? Keep this list handy. Every once in a while, revisit it and say, hey, is this current situation contributing to me being the best version of myself? Refer back to the list. Know what it looks like and what it feels like. This way you can surround yourself physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually with those people and places and vibes and work which complement your strengths and fill in the gaps between your strengths. Oh, I'm so excited for you to live in your strengths. Stay excellent.